Looking for a portable cooktop that can handle it all? The Nuwave PIC Double Portable Induction Cooktop might just be the ultimate solution. Imagine having two powerful induction zones in one sleek unit, letting you sauté, boil, or fry multiple dishes at the same time. No compromises, no waiting, just perfectly cooked meals ready together. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. The upgraded seamless IMD touch panel makes cooking effortless. Its edge-to-edge ceramic glass surface not only looks stunning, but also prevents grime buildup and protects the internal components from spills, giving you durability you can rely on. With dynamic watt technology, each zone gets just the right amount of power automatically, so you can sear a steak on one side while gently simmering a sauce on the other. Temperature precision is unmatched, ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments, and with independent controls for each side, you're in total command of your cooking. Real-time adjustments and customizable memory slots make it easy to perfect every recipe. Add built-in safety features and a heavy-duty, easy-to-clean ceramic surface, and you have a portable cooktop that redefines convenience and precision. Whether you're a busy home chef or love cooking on the go, the Nuwave PIC Double brings professional control and versatility wherever you need it.